How to properly plug in an electric guitar. Number 1. First, turn the volume down on your guitar and amplifier. Usually this is done by turning the volume knob to the left. Make sure guitar amplifier is turned off. Number 2. Firmly hold the guitar cable grip, which is located above the plug. It is usually hard rubber, plastic, or metal. Number 3. Insert the plug end into the guitar jack. It should snap in the jack without any part of the plug being exposed. Do not force plug into jack. Number 4. Now firmly hold the grip on the other end of the guitar cable and plug into amplifier. Plug cable all the way in. Do not force cable into amplifier jack. Number 5. Turn guitar amplifier on. Now turn the volume knob on guitar all the way up. Then turn the volume knob on guitar amplifier up to desired level. Check out my latest song To Your Left. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.